Thermostatic valve replacement video guide. Step 1. Drain the engine oil from the oil sump completely. Check the oil level inside the oil pipe. Verify it is below the outlet pipe orifice before proceeding. Next step. Disconnect the 3 oil lines attached to the thermostatic valve. Step 3. Remove the oil filter. Remove it with specialized service tooling. Step 4. Remove the thermostatic valve body. Thermostatic valve removal completed. Notice, if thermostatic valve cartridge replacement is required, then please watch the video. When installing the thermostatic valve core, ensure proper alignment with the oil outlet pipe. Warning: prevent installation errors. Install the thermostatic valve in reverse order of removal. Proceed with valve body installation, then oil filter mounting. Finally, connect all oil lines and torque fasteners. Thermostatic valve installation is now complete.